Okay, hi guys. Okay, it's been a minute since I have filmed anything, but we are actually going to be following through on a creative idea I've had for a minute, and I want to take y'all along with me. We got to get my hair done. We got to put a real look together. We have to take pictures, film a video. I also have to stop by my friend who's tailoring some stuff for me, and we got to go to the hair store to pick some stuff up. Yeah, let's get going. Okay, I'm walking over, bro, and my fucking ear popped so bad I can barely hear, and it's like bothering me so much. I think it's because it's been fucking cold and rainy, so I might have picked up on a little something. Now my ear in the elevator going down fucked up, so I can't hear. Okay, listen, it was playing copyright music in the goddamn store. So what I said was the lighting is shit, and I didn't know what to pick. I ended up picking out some good things, but I'm gonna rap for y'all. Somebody give me a topic to rap about. God, I can't tell if the lighting is ass or if it's just the like overcast shit for today, but I ended up getting, wait, I'll show you. I got white, but my problem is I don't know if this will fit in my size braids, depending on what size we're doing. These are really small, so it might not fit. So just in case, I would prefer to do the white because it just white is gonna look way better. But just in case, I got light brown and I also got a dark brown. It's somewhere in my bag. So we should be good. I think it's time for you to get a Yahtzee. I'm using the Mario Badescu Super Collagen Mask. I've used it like 4 times. I like it, but I'm like a little too tired to do anything. I feel like y'all can see my mic. Okay, it's actually 2 days later because my tailor and my hair appointment were both canceled yesterday. So it's 2 days later and we're getting ready to go now. I'm also trying to clean up real quick because my friend's coming over after. So yeah. Don't think you can tell here, but I'm low-key pissed because I felt like something was off when I went to my tailor and picked up my stuff, and I'll fill you all in the next YouTube video, but I swear to God it was the absolute worst tailoring job I've ever done, ever seen. My pants were messed up so bad. It's diabolical.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
I also have been keeping a small notebook with me so that I can like journal or write down little ideas that I have instead of like doom scrolling on the train. And because I used to only bring like my big fat journal with me, and then me and my sister went to Kyoto, which you're gonna hate me if I ask to crack a window only because my hair will smell like smoke. That is the only thing. I don't think I will, but before I get any stupid ignorant ass comments, I am black. So I came out a little white, came out a little lighter, came out a little brighter. But my father is white, my mother is black. I'm black. I'm getting my hair braided. That's all I have to say about this. Because my hair, bro, I swear, every single time I do anything, my hair would just smell like...
I get that, though, because my hair probably stinks. My hair smells like an ashtray. Yeah.
Bro, the last time I went to some event, they were smoking in there, and I walked... And it's, usually I don't mind, but it just depends on, like, what I'm wearing.
I already know your hair.
Oh, girl. That and Hot Pot. When I go to, like, Hot Pot or, like... K barbecue.
Oh, that shit.
The smoke, bro, it's for days. For days it's in my hair, I swear. This is crazy. I've never seen this show. I've only seen like little clips on the internet and shit, but I've never seen it. Right. She's funny. I know that she's funny. Oh, really? From Love Island. Oh. Hey Chelsea, I'm good. I'm about to turn on my camera, but what you see, you cannot judge because I'm getting my hair braided. Swear, she's doing it right now. Thanks. It's gonna be something different than the last time I did it. There we go. They're just like, I'm not adding any hair. It's just my hair. So I'll send you the inspo photo. But it's super fun. Awesome. I did the some type of video that they said. I just saw it, so that's fair. That's a real Libra shit though. It really is. It's real though, because like a couple months ago I was coming in from from Paris, and when you fly in you're supposed to declare when you buy things, and my friend who I was with, he was like, oh, we didn't buy anything. And because it was my first time traveling out of the country, and I looked at him because I was like, yeah, like I didn't say this, but I gave him a look like, you're lying, like that type of look. But like I was confused, and
like that. Like,
and he looked at me. He looked at me with the utmost like, girl, if you don't shut the fuck up and stop looking at me like that, bro.
Yo, and it'd be so innocent to be out, but it's annoying because it's like,
because we don't mean to, like we don't mean to.
Like shoot, like
that's so funny. Virgos, I feel like I'll never know what y'all are thinking.
3 months later,
It
and
didn't fit.
well, I mean,
But I guess it's all like learning and
yeah,
stuff. And let me blow my nose really fast.
do your thing.
And then I'm great.
Put it in Majesty.
Mm-hmm.
And it's garbage. But that.
Y'all fuck with the braids? Like, didn't she eat? It's crazy. So it's actually like a couple days later. I've just been super busy and hadn't had time to like pick up the camera and continue the video.